What's going on, everybody? How was your weekend? We got 2 videos this weekend on new radios, including the Kenwood DNX574S, which features built-in navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, everything you need in a radio. It's an absolute beast. And then I singled in from Sony the MEX-N4200BT. This radio is under $100. It's got Bluetooth, USB. It's the perfect radio for a budget system. I'll be on vacation all next week, so it'll be shorter videos next week and a half, but I'll try my best to get as many up as possible before I leave. See if you can guess what country I'm going to in the comments. Okay, top comments is pretty great this week. Take it away, BJ. Hey James, I got news for you. No one gives a about your trip. Why don't you just do us all a favor, and whenever you get to your destination, don't come back. You're probably going to like Albania or Luxembourg or some shit like that. Alright, let's do these top comments. Corey Carter. It's great to know you can read off a fax sheet. I know, right, Corey? Say hello to your mother for me. Daniel Cola. Maybe you should care because you only have 60,000 subs. Oh man, low blow, Daniel. And the douchiest comment of the year goes to Daniel Cola. Say hello to your mother for me. T120. Who the is this douche? Don't talk to your father like that, alright, T120? Sean McHugh. Very clear and great video. Thanks, Sean. Abel Valdez. That's the whitest Lorenzo I've ever seen.
What's up, guys? It's Lorenzo from Quality Mobile Video.
Yeah, he's pretty pale. Phil D12. Screw Siri. Boston Jim. Tell me where to get the best coffee from. Dunkin' D's guy. I'm the man of Dunkin' Donuts. Get a medium regular and tell them BJ sent ya. Cybertruck Roadshow. Ordered mine today from you guys. Going to do an in-depth unboxing and car review video. Great customer service and price. You're welcome. Thanks for purchasing from us, like the rest of y'all should. Spencer Roberts. You ever try to drink water from a fire hose? Yeah, that's this video. Pointless. And Spencer also wrote, well, I'm just sticking with my stock system that my car came with. Oh, you think the video is pointless? No one gives a about you sticking with your stock system, Spencer. That's a pointless comment. Dun Dota. Apple is the worst. Let's all get over it at the same time. Alright, Statue Jesus. Rex Tan. Maybe JVC create their own mobile phones. I recommend not getting a JVC cell phone. Schmangin Yukon. Somebody needs to teach this kid how to English. Learn how to fluctuate your voice properly. Not every goddamn syllable deserves a flux in pitch. Oh my god. Thanks for the tips, babe. I really like that Confederate flag in your photo. What do you wrap yourself up in that thing at night and dream of seceding from the US? Is not available too. Please remove the music. Then you won't have to shout over it. Oh, no problem, man. We'll just remove the music from an already uploaded video on YouTube. Yeah, you can totally do that. Jay Race, you're the man. I know. Jonathan Gonzalez, what's the difference between a Comp A and a Comp C? Well, a Comp C sucks. ROVV, hard to listen to this guy talk. Could be how he talks, or enunciate, and the way his sound is mixed or EQ'd. Too much, I didn't finish this short video. Say hello to your mother for me. That's it, everybody. Thank you for all these lovely comments. It really makes my day. Alright, everybody, you know the deal. Go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links are in the bio. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, dislike it if you hated it, leave your comments below, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and we'll see you soon.